In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product reviews to Shopify. Let's start at the very beginning. Open your browser and go to shopify.com. On the homepage, look towards the top right and click Login. Sign in using your preferred method, email and password, or one of the available single sign-on options. If you manage more than one store, make sure you choose the correct store before moving on so you install the app in the right place. With your admin open, head to a new browser tab and go to apps.shopify.com. This is the official Shopify App Store where you'll find tools to extend your store's features. In the search bar, type product reviews. You'll see a list of review apps designed to add star ratings and customer feedback to your product pages. Take a quick moment to skim the app descriptions, ratings, and pricing. Pick an option that fits your needs, whether you want basic star ratings or more robust features like photo reviews and moderation controls. Once you've chosen your app, click the install button on its App Store page. Shopify will guide you back to your store's admin to finish the process. Here, you'll be asked to grant access permissions. Review the permissions carefully so you understand what the app can see and do, then click to approve and continue. This is standard for apps that need to display content on your storefront and interact with your products. After installation, the app will open with its setup or configuration screen. This is where you turn on key features. First, enable showing reviews on your product pages so shoppers can read feedback directly where they're deciding to buy. Next, allow customers to leave star ratings and written reviews. This builds social proof and can improve conversion. Finally, decide how you want to handle moderation. If you prefer to review submissions before they go live, turn on moderation so new reviews require approval. While you're here, you can usually adjust design options like star color and placement to match your theme. If the app offers a simple placement toggle, use it. Many apps automatically add the review widget to product pages without extra work. When everything looks right, click Save to apply your settings. Saving confirms your choices and ensures the review widget and submission form are ready on your storefront. That's it. You've logged in, found a reviews app, installed it securely, configured the display and moderation options, and saved your setup. Your customers can now leave feedback and new shoppers can see real experiences right on your product pages, helping you build trust and drive more sales.